Right now.
Hey, referee! Judges ever feel shame because we have to win the match to bring the 3 points to Calabar.
Go. Welcome, sports fans. Welcome back to another very special episode. I'm your host, Joe Mar.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions, debates, and vlogs on the internet.
Yes, people. Before we get into today's video, don't forget to like this one, subscribe to This or That Sports TV, and leave a comment under the video. What else I want to do, bro?
I want you guys to share the video to at least 10 people, but ensure to get us at least 6 subscribers, because if each and every one of you guys watching right now can get us 6 subscribers, well, you know how much subscriber that can get to by any day?
And a lie. Bro, this one a beat too. This one a lie. This one hot boy.
But I feel good. And I like the stats. It's not a replication of that one stats game where I was just under the weather.
And a lie.
Right now we're up and we eat some food and we have the energy and we watch some football and we're there for work, alright?
What we watch today, though? It's a Manning Cup game. People know behind the scenes vlog. What we watch?
We're here watching Calabar High School face off against St. George's. You know, we're at Reddy's Road. We're at Calabar, you know, them little mini stadium, you know, and it look good.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so we're both hopefully take a step on the running track and bring the game up and close.
Everywhere we go, we see a violation. You think we're going to see a violation today?
I don't think we're going to see a violation
feel
today.
the violation energy
now.
now.
I think Calabar's pride is going to prevent them from being embarrassed today. However, I do expect a good game. And you know, George's are Joe Margram's favourites to win the Manning Cup. So it's always good to get to see a selection and see how they play. But as of right now, we see how it goes.
Guys, people, stay tuned to the vlog. See what going on. Hey, man, we got people.
Catch you after that. Lie.
Stop there! That's it, son.
Yeah. 1-0. Mr. George is up 1-0, bro.
Yeah.
How the ball knock so far?
You know, both teams look fairly evenly matched, in my opinion. We see Calabar show. Ooh! That was a good piece of skill right there. We see Calabar show some intensity, some intent. Obviously, I think George's is the better team, but George's seems to be sitting back and not being very aggressive right now. But I think it's about time for George to explode, so I'm just waiting for that.
One thing I can say is that the intensity of the game is very low. And maybe that is what Calabar's motive is. They want to lower the intensity of the game so that George doesn't, have attacks up and attacks up and attacks. So, or maybe George is just not playing with as much intensity as they should play with right now. But I can say that the game is dead right now. I don't see much happening. Yet to see a shot and goal. Not much happening. But people will stay to me and watch the game. But bro, shout out me. What did they have a reasoning off camera? And you say all the facilities at Calabar look good. Many people them know what you say.
Yeah, and it's not only Calabar per se, but coming to watch schoolboy football games, bro, this is the environment and the atmosphere and the level of facilities that schoolboy football should be played at. It gives me an American NCAA college soccer game vibe. That's exactly what it is. When I went to see Kingston College versus KC at the Stadium East, that's exactly what I saw. When you go to Winchester Park, it's the same type of vibe, it's the same type of feel. You come to the gate, And of course, proceeds are being collected because you can't come watch football free, right? You come, you pay, you enter, you assume your seat in the stands. You know, there's a marching band for the Calabar boys. Like it feels like a playing atmosphere, and this is the level of football that the young men should be playing.
It looks good, bro, and this is conducive to good football and good development. Yeah. So we love to see it. Want to see more fans out there, people. Come out and support the boys playing in the Money Cup.
Yeah, for sure.
But people, we're continuing to watch the game because we like we're going to miss some.
Alright people, so you know we're there at Calabar, fan can time. You can see all the fans in the background, you know. We see Calabar have a good atmosphere, you hear the marching band in the background and so on and so forth. But we're talking to somebody right now. Introduce yourself.
My name is Nashon Benjamin from Calabar High School.
You are Calabar High School?
From Calabar.
Oh, from Calabar High School. So who are you? What are you to the Calabar High School Money Cup program?
Well, basically I am your star player, you know, your star player.
You're the star player?
Yeah.
So if you're the star player, why aren't you on the field? Why are you here now in the stands with me?
No, because right now they have to do this by themselves, you know. If they don't, if they play with me a lot, they're not going to have the confidence, you know. So I have to give them the confidence.
Oh, so basically you're saying you're not playing because you want to develop the team?
Yeah, you know.
But this season Calabar have not been doing very well. Don't you think that you could have helped them out?
Yeah, you know, I could have helped them out, but I kind of have to play Coles to save the Coles team, you know.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
14 years old. So that means you're the captain of the Coles team?
No, not really captain, you know. But you can call it a captain because I like to talk to them a lot, you know, encourage the players and help them to do their best.
Which position you play?
I am a goalkeeper.
You're a goalkeeper? So you shouldn't be the starting keeper out there right now?
Well, honestly, that keeper that was there, he taught me some things I know. So like, I look at him as a mentor, you know.
Alright, so speak to us about Calabar this season. Calabar has not had a very good season. You know, talk to us about how you feel about how your team is playing this season.
Honestly, they had good games and bad games, you know, like right now, the Judges game that is going on right now is, I don't think they're playing to their full potential. Like Judges is not playing anything, but Calabar is like on the same level with them.
Alright, so going into the second half, do you think Calabar will be able to equalize and then go on and win the game?
Well, if they put their mind to it, have the right level of confidence, you know, don't get too complacent, you know, I think they can win.
Alright, lastly, what is something that you want to say to the Calabar fans watching this or that sports TV right now?
Hey, referee! Judges are going to feel shame because we have to win the match to bring the 3 points to Calabar here.
The man step on Javel right or so. But that's how you call foul. One man go. I'm freaking right away, so I'm gonna have to prep. Come on, already. The man at the prep over him.
Hey bro, Judges scored their second goal. Brian Burkett. Who else would it be? No, Judges supposed to. Yeah bro, funny enough, Judges not playing great today. Yeah, this is probably the worst game I've seen Judges play in a while. I mean, they don't look good at all. The player gets to the midfield and it breaks down every time. But the thing is, Calabar doesn't pose a
Brian Burkett's touches have not been good. Zabir Taylor looks weak and lacking in the midfield. You know, the striker seems to lack potency. So, yeah, Georges overall just does not look very good today. But the thing is, even though they're dominative in the midfield, Calabar are absolutely non-existent in midfield. Calabar has outstanding central defenders. In fact, I think their man of the match so far is their number 20, their captain on the day.
Yeah.
He's been so good. But because of their deficiencies in the midfield, or completely lack of a midfield altogether, they just constantly sustain pressure, constantly sustain pressure, constantly sustain pressure. And a central defender can do all and no more.
Yeah, judges have to step their game up though. They can't go in the second round playing like this.
And I'm not worried, bro. People have bad games.
Yeah, this is
People have
definitely
bad games.
one of their
It happens.
worst games. Other than the Waterford game, this must be their worst performance. So I know they would have expected to, run over Calabar today. It was a strong team that started. So I know they weren't expecting this performance. But people, we are going to watch the game. We are going to update them after the game. Is it?
That's how I coach. Play tough. Use your brain. Play with your heart. The tactics will come. But no matter how tactically good you are, if you don't have intensity and if you don't play tough, you're not going to beat anybody.
It's a work in progress. It's something that is going to have to grow. It's not going to happen overnight. And that's one of the reasons why I asked for a 3-year program so that we could work. This is the first year.
I'm the co-captain of the team. All right, well said. Talk us through the game today. What happened?
First half, start off good, like how the lads played.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. It's over. Not a great performance from Georges, but they managed to win the game. And this is what, when I speak about champions, bro, these are games that champions need to have. And the games where, when they're not having a great game, they can still manage and win the game. By even more than one goal. What do you have to say about this game?
As you said, lackluster performance by Georges. Their touch was all over the place. Their passing was poor. It was tacky. I think they lacked intensity. I think they lacked zeal and fervour. I don't think they showed up to play a good game of football today. However, we spoke to Neville Bell, and Neville Bell kind of rubbished my claim when I brought that to him. He said that we're away on the road in a surface that's subpar, and we managed to win by 4 goals. What kind of poor game you talk about? Yes, and Neville Bell kind of rubbished my claims. I still hold true to my point that I don't think Georges performed up to standard, but considering the fact they're away from home at Calabar, playing on a surface that they weren't used to, and still managing to come up 4 goals to the good, you can't really complain, can you?
Yeah, and that's on the Georges side. As far as Calabar go, there's some promise. The best player on the team is 16 years old, I think, the number 20. The defender
He's
is
what?
16 years old. I did an interview with him. Obviously, he said that he's not sure if he'll be here next year. He'll be going on some trials and whatever. But he's 16. That's promise, bro. And they have a promising head coach. They have a program that they're trying to, revamp.
Bro, he's so good. He's one of the best defenders I've seen thus far.
For sure. He was one of the best players on the pitch from either team. So, yeah, there's some promise there. As I said, they have a good coach and they are trying to revamp their program. So, I think there's something there for Calabar supporters to believe in. Andrew Price said to me that it's a 3-year program. He asked for 3 years. He knew that this wouldn't happen in 1 year, 1 season. So he's not. I would say disappointed, but he's not. He's not frustrated at all. He doesn't. I don't see a sense of giving up. He thinks that in a few this can be a program that is doing well in the Manning Cup.
Yeah.
So that's on the Calabar side. You spoke about the Georges side. People, you'll be getting more vlogs because the second round is about to start.
Yep.
And that's where we're really going to be.
But even before the second, we'll be at Winchester Park this weekend.
For sure.
And we have one more other Mona men to see coming up. So there's a lot. There's a lot to accomplish. There's a lot to do. It's coming down to the home stretch of the Manning Cup. And this or that Sports TV have been with you guys since the very, very start. And we'll be there in the very, very end.
All right, people.
You already know the unprecedented coverage. Like, we were there. We were on that field, we were watching. Courtesy of Emil Smith. What am I going to get from Emil?
post.
Bro, they might get the whole match.
Everything. They get
They might get the whole match, and I think they're gonna like that. I also get the highlights. You see, the interviews wouldn't be possible without email people. What if I work right though? But all I know, bro, I want to thank the people. You know, we're at 3,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
And I'd like to say thank you for that. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the subscription. And people, get us to 4K. And then get us to 5K, and then 6K, and then 10K.
How them can get to 4K, bro?
Oh, bro.
If each and every one of the guys watching right now can get to 6 subscribers, bro, we get to 4K with the quickness, bro.
Not by the end of the day, though.
No, but wait now, bro. But if them can do that, do you know how quick we get to 4K, Bridget? How quick, Emil?
By the end of the day. And like people, don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. We're at Calabar and we're at Showboat. Stay tuned. Check out the content from the interviews, check out the match, check out the highlights, a whole of that. But we are left. Out.